Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel, with Website Candy, and I just wanted to create this quick video for you guys real fast. Something I just discovered. I am using the iPad Pro 2019, and I love this thing. I had the sixth generation before this, and it was okay. It was good. However, I'm just blown away by the quality and the clarity of the iPad. So I'm not sure exactly how far this dates back, but I just discovered this. I was sitting here playing my iPad, and say, for instance, you know how you're always typing and you need numbers and letters or so on and so forth, or the different little, you know, punctuations and the at symbol, things of that nature. So, you know, you always hit your one, two, three, and you got your different stuff, and then you come over here and you hit shift and caps lock, and you're looking for, different little characters on your keyboard. Okay, so I want to type in the street that I was born and raised on, and let's say, for instance, you're typing your address. So instead of coming over here and hitting shift, or I see I just messed up, one, two, three, and hitting 238 in regards to where I was born or the address that I want to put in, let's delete that and let's do it the easier way. So when I go down here and I pull down to 38, and I'm just touching and pulling down, then I can type in West S West State Street. So that's the street that I was born on, raised on. I'm going to skip the city, okay, and I'm going to just go straight to the zip code, and zip code was 45506. Yes, that's Springfield, Ohio. So, an easier way to use your keyboard. This is extremely awesome. I love this feature. Let me know if you knew about this. Let me know if you're going to plan on using this, and let me know if you learned something new. And if you know anything that I don't know, please leave it in the comments, and I will definitely cover a video on it. And thank you so much. Goodbye.